Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to enable low light mode in Google Meet so your video looks brighter and clearer in dark rooms. You can enable this before joining or during a meeting. Let's start before joining. On the camera preview screen, look at the bottom of your video. Click Background and Effects. A panel opens on the right side. Click the Appearance tab if needed. Look for Adjust Video Lighting or Low Light Mode. Turn the toggle on. Your camera preview will automatically brighten. Now, if you are already inside a meeting, click the three dots button. Click Background and Effects. Find Adjust Video Lighting and turn it on. Google Meet will automatically enhance brightness and visibility. This feature works best in Chrome and may require hardware acceleration. If you do not see the option, your device or account may not support it. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.